What's up, guys? So we're doing a stereo in the XJ. So as you can see, I already sound deadened the whole thing. Well, I should say I sound deadened the rear, and then I did the roof as well, and it sounds fantastic. And big shout out to Subthump. They actually sent out their custom subwoofer enclosure for the Cherokees. So it fits right in here. So I show you guys a little bit kind of how you set this up. And I'm going to install this, wire it up, and then I'll probably finish doing the rest of the sound deadening later. And yeah, so we'll be talking about this. But I went with a Focal 8-inch sub. They're Flax series, really nice. And the subwoofer is exposed, so I figured I'd go with a really nice looking and obviously nice performing one as well. For the speakers, for the rear hatch here, so as you can see, up in the rear hatch area here, and here. Went with the Focal, the 130 AC, which is basically just a 5 1/4 inch speaker. So those will go there. And then in the front, so in the front, it's gonna take some modification to get this guy to work. So I'm thinking I'm gonna need to do, because this speaker has to sit inset a little bit, I'm gonna cut this out bigger and then probably mount MDF, like an MDF panel to the inside, screw it from here through, and then mount the speaker inside that MDF adapter, basically. Because right now the size that works here is 5 1/4. So we'll see how that plays out, and in future video. So went with the Audison SR6.600. It's a 6-channel amp, but yeah, got a little bass knob for that. Went with a recoil for the amplifier power wire and fuse setup. I have all the RCAs for the sub and the speaker, and then as well as obviously some speaker wire that came with the kit as well. So that was actually a nice kit. So if you guys are looking at any of the stuff, I'll put a link in the description for a full parts list of everything that I've done for this. But mainly just kind of wanted to give you guys an update, kind of show you the sound deadening. And basically all you do is you peel this backing off and then stick it on there, and then use a little roller. Here's the roller. Then you just literally just roll in there, and that sticks real nice. And I can show you guys kind of the difference here. So you can hear versus this is not sound deadened. So that's going to help road noise, vibrations, things like that, and make this thing better to drive, just noise-wise, and then make the sound system sound much better. So I trimmed out that panel, as you can see, to finish it up, but it's going to give it a really nice factory look. Really impressed with the quality of this box. It's nicely wrapped in carpeting, and then you do have quick connectors down below. So really nice setup, fits perfectly. On these earlier Cherokees, there is a little tab right here, and this tab, all I did is I took a pliers and I bent it inwards, and now it fits perfectly. So we're gonna wire this up, and yeah. Alrighty, so have it just kind of temporarily set in there. I will screw it in. They gave you 3 mounting screws to mount it to there, but until I have the system all done, I'm not gonna screw it in yet. So all I have to do is pop this panel off and then screw it in there. But man, does that look nice. I mean, it literally looks factory. Like if the XJ had an upgrade for a sub. Very nice. So my panel's just a little warped, so I'll probably do just some Velcro on the inside there just to get it to stick to that. That way it won't rattle either. But other than that, man, it looks really nice. So big shout out to Sub Thump for hooking it up with the box for me. Greatly appreciated. But yeah, that's just, if you want a factory looking setup for the XJ, that is definitely the one to do, and it fits perfectly. And yeah, so anyway, so next steps are gonna be, what I think I'm gonna do, there's a dent in this door here that I'm gonna fix first. So I'm gonna sound deaden the driver's door, passenger door, and then this rear one here. Sound deaden those, take the seats out, and take that carpet up, sound deaden all underneath there, and then we'll install the stereo. So we'll probably be coming back to you guys at another date, but that's kind of the setup that's going on with the XJ, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.